Once you've started a relationship with a girl, keeping her interested can be a challenge. But with a little care and effort, you can make sure the romance stays fresh and exciting for both of you. Creating a close bond is key to making any relationship last, so make sure you set aside special time for just the two of you on a regular basis. Keep things interesting by mixing up your routine and doing fun things together, like trying out a new hobby, taking a class, or even going on a spontaneous road trip. When you're with her, take time to talk to her about her life and interests, and ask her questions about herself to show that you care about her. For instance, try saying things like, "How are you feeling about school lately?" Or "What are you thinking of doing after you graduate?" In addition to talking about her, it's also important to discuss your relationship sometimes. Let her know what she means to you, and don't hesitate to discuss any problems between the two of you. Just be sure to do it in an honest and non-judgmental way. You can also try asking her how she's feeling about things. For example, is there anything about our relationship that's not working for you right now? Or, I'd love it if we could spend a little more time together. How would you feel about doing a regular date night every Saturday? Showing affection is another big part of keeping up interest in a relationship, so look for different ways to express your feelings for her. For instance, if she's into physical affection, make sure you take time to cuddle, make out, or even just hold hands. You can also show your love by telling her how you feel about her, getting her little gifts, or giving her a hand when she needs help with something. Even though spending time together is important, remember that time apart is also key to any healthy relationship. Make sure the both of you get a chance to spend time doing things you enjoy on your own. Focusing on your own interests, goals, and friendships can also help you be the best version of yourself, which is another important part of keeping her interested in you.